At number 5, we have the Whitsunday Foldable Beach Wagon. Heavy-duty, versatile, built for outdoor adventures. Supports up to 400 pounds with durable 600D double-layer Oxford cloth. Tear-resistant, detachable, and easy to clean. Built-in table plate and large side pockets keep meals and gear organized. Spring-loaded handle stays upright. No bending. Silent 360-degree rotating front wheels with dual bearings. 2 built-in brakes provide safe stopping even on slopes. No assembly needed. Set up in seconds. Folds compactly into the included storage bag for easy transport. Add sunshades, cup holders, and table risers. Perfect for picnics, beach trips, garden parties, and everyday hauling.
At number 4, we have the MacSports Folding Utility Wagon, your go-to hauler for beach, camp, and game day. Nearly 32 inches long, roomy interior carries up to 150 pounds of gear, with 2 mesh cup holders for snacks and drinks. 0 assembly. Pops open in seconds. Folds to a slim 9.7 inches, fits the carry case, and weighs just 23.1 pounds. Large wheels glide over sand, grass, pavement, even uneven ground, plus an adjustable handle for smooth, easy pulling anywhere. Durable 600D fabric cleans easily, trusted since 1993. Designed for gear only, not for children. Perfect for beach, park, concerts, and picnics.
At number 3, we have the Sekey Extra Large Folding Utility Wagon. Over 47 inches long and 3x volume. Built for camping gear, groceries, and sports equipment, plus 2 built-in mesh cup holders. 1:6 fold ratio, collapses compact, slides into trunks, closets, or garages. Comes with a carry-on storage bag. Patented ultra-stable frame with 20% thicker pipes, supports up to 440 LABs. Cargo use only. Do not transport children. 7-inch all-terrain wheels with brakes glide on sand, grass, gravel, and pavement. No assembly. 1-hand fold, backed by a 2-year warranty.
At number 2, we have the Foldable Baby and Toddler Wagon Stroller. Tired of juggling multiple strollers? Carries up to 4 kiddos in removable seats, each with a 5-point adjustable safety harness. Folds fast for storage and features a stylish faux leather exterior, plus an easy-access front zipper door. Deep carriage basket with zippered mesh panels. Remove seats to transform into a spacious beach or utility wagon. Slidable UV canopy. Adjustable push handle with soft neoprene grip and optional pull strap. Practical, secure, and versatile. Perfect for beach days and everyday use.
At number 1, we have the extra-long, heavy-duty folding wagon. Extended 54-inch lower shelf for oversized gear, built tough for outdoor adventures. 7.5-inch all-terrain wheels with quiet rubber treads and brakes. 360-degree front rotation for smooth control on grass, brick, and dirt. No assembly needed. Push the bottom and it's ready in seconds. The ABS handle extends to 2 feet 8 inches and stays put when released. Sturdy steel frame supports 225 pounds per layer, an impressive 450-pound total. Generous open dimensions maximize hauling space for tents, chairs, and sports gear. When you're done, it folds small for easy storage and transport. Strong, spacious, effortless. Your top pick for adventures, events, and everyday hauling.